Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
Hey, you just let me pet you.
Hated.
What is your problem? Sure. Ah! What is your...
No kittens. This cat's got a whole speech prepared for the ride home.
Sophie boy, what do you want?
Dishes? I hope so.
Okay.
Proves it.
Enjoy Oh my fucking Jesus Christ!
What are you looking for?
Really thought the fire was a spicy orange snack.
Hurry up. Get down.
That's it. Good job.
And good girl. Down. 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 Good girl. Stand.
Most of y'all have one of these, but how many of y'all have one of these?
Who needs a back scratcher when your dog volunteers?
Morning.
Give me that pizza.
It's okay. Stop.
The door is open. Just go around.
Oh dear.
Mama. Mama.
Yet another weird thing Hash does. With his turkey giblet treats.
He's got my panties on. Rudy.
Like a tiny tornado, he spins into your heart and stays.
Too far.
His calm face shows who's the clear winner of this battle.
You know, dive deep. More like dive deeper to do with the second.
Oh, no.
Exactly as clean as your reputation suggests.
Also, it lowers your heart.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredible. Can't even.
You gotta go potty. I know, I hear you. You've gotta go potty. Let's go.
Stop it.
Pangler. Even Harper wants a bit. Go on.
When the wind hits,
Cooper? Go, Cooper! I'm just trying to wake her up.
She likes playing though.
Good. Oh!
Mira lo que hiciste. No. Mira. ¿Quién?
¿Quién hizo esto?
Is that it?
Oh! Bad dog.
What?
Put it up again. Oh, I'm so sure. Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey.
nothing makes the heart race faster and the tail wag harder than a full gathering.
Be gentle.
Upward facing dog.
Downward.
Demonstrate the most important command that every police dog needs to know.
Oh, that's not your pizza.
Others walk their geese.
Look at her face. Oh no, she's jumping.
Audrey. Audrey.
Yeah, go to your bed.
The vet might be scary.
Not afraid of struggle.
Dog says he loves chocolate, so here's his chocolate.
It's taken him 2 years to figure that out. 2 years.
Girl, he's such a good puppy, huh? Such a good.
Oh, daddy, what daddy? What about mommy? Mommy. Daddy?
Oh, somebody's really sneezy today.
The screen.
Coming to the meeting. This meeting is gonna be.
Get told off all the time. Get told off for this, told off for that.
Still hanging.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was the last nail.
A bodyguard should keep their human.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Nose more than his eyes. Kitty. By the way, it actually worked.
Quả đây non nó. Bắt thương ơn.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me, buddy? Hi.
No. You need to stop
That's
biting.
what you get.
Get it.
Let's pray the dog can find his secret basement in this hospital.
What did you do? Oh, you did this to yourself.
What's this?
Girl, that's not a...
I was Northwest Businesswoman of the Year. Maureen, yes I was. Twice running. Yes, so I do know a thing.
You guys want to...
But it's like, I don't get it back. You know, first.
Barking on the kitchen counter, a smart way to ask for treats. No negotiations.
Engraçado do cachorro da cor do banco do carro, cara. Puxei o banco do carro pra tudo que é lado e ele não apareceu.
Elusive place. And this is the rest time.
Good.
Let's go to camp. Come on. You want to go to camp?
Tug of war by the pool. Who's taking the win?
It's a duel.
Hey, Father, help!
этот мячик бесит, да?
That was weak. Give me a good one. That's your leg.
வீட்ல நாங்க அடைச்சு வச்சிட்டோம். அது எங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க.
Huracán Chile, América y el mundo.
Consider a seed.
Oh my gosh, he's actually stalking him. Oh!
You want to go eat? Come on.
I don't care if you don't like it. What did you call me? He's bored.
It's a standoff. Oh my.
I'm too tired to be the best loaf today. Even bread needs a break, you know?
Is the exact moment the operation fell apart.
Silent night.
Cartwheels.
So buddies with 9 lives can live with the
Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
One day your coworker shows up barefoot.
Protecting your house. Are you protecting your house? Oh.
Dookie, honey, you can't have that. He took another.
Wrangler, you're supposed to be helping him.
Dory, stop. No.
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
Be careful parking on the street these days, with all these 4-legged tough guys around. Illustrated by this little boy.
Writing it.
Just a perfectly planned heist designed to blame it on unconsciousness, but ended up as...
She's pushing it towards him.
That's how friendships work. Some stay, some don't.
are you looking at? I'm sleeping like this because I feel safe.
Outside? Yeah, you've been doing that a lot lately.
Warte.
Che danno si è nascosto?
Dov'è Pablo? Non lo vedo. Pablo?
Hi, babies. Went to the vet. Now we go roking. Hey. They're such good dogs.
Who knew that their bed would become their battlefield?
I wanted a kiss.
Roba media y no sé si fuiste el que dañó la cama. Y tú también.
Showing signs of becoming incredible guardians.
This is my baby.
¿Puedo tocar el hermanito?
This dog has been running full-time guardian mode.
Tag a friend who needs.
Got energy to burn, have they?
She did it! Oh my god. She's so smart.
This little guy's got an interesting method of getting down the steps.
This decision is about to change your life path, buddy. Someone else worried about the snowman's missing nose.
Come here. Treasure. I keep track of my subscriptions in spreadsheet.